Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I'm gonna show you how to test your website speed Google Core Web Vitals via browser. What is Core Web Vitals? This is like web page loading speed, taking in report many criteria. The loading speed affects how user behaves on the website, because now visitor attention span is probably less than a fish, less than 7 seconds. Your website has to be very fast in order to reduce bounce rate. So what are the popular options people using, and I don't know why they using those options like GTmetrix. Like if you got if you're trying to test a website via GTmetrix, it gives you some results, but keep in mind this test on a free account runs for a desktop. As you know, Google is mobile first indexing. More than half of the people using mobile devices today. It doesn't make any sense to run this test. Another popular option is Page Speed Insights. Another one is Google Lighthouse. Both are not bad, but you can run the test just straight via your browser. That's why I'm making this video for you. In order to test your website, open new incognito window in Chrome browser and enter your website. I'm gonna pop mine. Right-click your mouse button. Last option, inspect. Click on that little arrow and there's gonna be a lighthouse. And as you can see, you can analyze page for mobile and desktop as well. And as you can see, all of them are green. Alright, you can say, yes, I made the sacrifice. There are no images on my homepage, and this is done specifically to load my homepage even faster, you know. Let's say I'm gonna open some post which got some images. I'm not cheating in any way. Now again, inspect, go to that little arrow, click on it, lighthouse, and analyze page load. As you can see, the test performed directly in the browser. So you don't need to download any specific software. You don't need any specific extensions for a browser. You don't need to visit any specific websites. You can run test directly in the browser. If you want to optimize your website, I have a blog post written about that, and I'm gonna leave the link in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Leave your comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and talk soon. Cheers.